Debt slavery. The system was built to keep you owing. You don't own your car, you don't own your house. And unless you've escaped the trap, you probably don't even own your time. Hi, I'm Wolfgang Grey, and this is Grey's Horizons. Let's talk about why debt isn't just a financial tool anymore. It's a system of control. But first, I'm not a financial advisor. This isn't financial advice. It's a wake-up call based on real experience. Always do your own research before making any financial decisions. The illusion of prosperity. They told us debt was opportunity. Finance your education, lease a new car, buy a house you can't afford because it's an investment. But what they didn't say, debt is the default. It keeps you compliant, tied to the next paycheck, dependent. You thought you were building a future, but you were really buying chains with interest. Who benefits from your debt? Credit cards with 29% APR, student loans that survive bankruptcy, mortgage terms longer than your marriage. Meanwhile, banks rake in billions. The government profits from inflation, and central banks devalue the money while calling it growth. This isn't about helping people succeed. It's about keeping them just comfortable enough not to revolt. The math of modern slavery. Let's say you borrow $250,000 for a house, pay it off over 30 years, and you'll give the bank nearly $400,000. You didn't buy a home, you bought debt. The house came as a bonus. Same goes for cars, furniture, phones. Debt turns ownership into a subscription to your own life. Inflation makes it worse. Even if you don't borrow, you lose, because inflation erodes every dollar you earn, so you take on more debt just to keep up. And with rising rates, your payments go up, while your buying power goes down. It's not just a trap, it's a treadmill with the speed set by someone else. The psychological chains. Debt kills risk-taking. It kills creativity. You don't start that business because you're afraid of missing a payment. You can't take time off because you're working for the bank, not your family, not your future. You are never free until you owe no one. How to break free. Get angry, but get smart. Cut up the cards. Sell the car. Get radical if you have to. Build skills. Stack income, downsize aggressively. Because when you owe nothing, you fear nothing. And that's when you can finally start building wealth instead of feeding the machine. Debt is the water most people swim in without realizing they're drowning. It's time to stop surviving and start owning. You've been paying for a life that was never yours. It's time to take it back. Like and subscribe to Gray's Horizons. Share this with someone drowning in payments. And tell me in the comments, what debt are you escaping from first? I'll see you in the next one. Thank you.